Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore LLC formation for rentals with LegalZoom, full guide step by step clearly. To restore your LLC formation for rentals with LegalZoom, begin by gathering all necessary information about your LLC. Visit the LegalZoom website. Navigate to the section for LLC services. Look for the option to restore your LLC. Click on the Restore LLC Service option. You will be prompted to enter your LLC's name and state of formation. Provide the required information about your LLC. Fill out any necessary details regarding the reason for restoration. Review the information you've entered for accuracy. Proceed to the Payments section. Select your preferred payment method. Complete the payment to initiate the restoration process. After payment, you will receive a confirmation email from LegalZoom. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your LLC restoration. Follow any additional instructions provided in the confirmation email. Once your LLC is restored, ensure you comply with any state requirements. This may include filing any outstanding reports or fees. Consider reaching out to LegalZoom's customer service if you have questions. Save all documentation related to your LLC's restoration for future reference. Your LLC is now ready to handle your rental properties again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.